it's Hannah with WTI. Have you been wanting to try that viral Korean glass skin look without anything that's too complicated? Well, you have to check out this. It is Olivia Umma's Glass Skin Tanghulu Face Serum. What really won me over with this stuff is when I put it on, it absorbs almost immediately into my skin. It isn't tacky or oily or sticky. It feels just like my skin, but now my skin is smoother and softer. They have these tiny little tangerine granules inside the serum. They're super cute, and when you rub them in your skin, they just disappear magically. It's very cool. It's a multivitamin formula with vitamin C and niacinamide, so it's great for brightening up my skin and my complexion. I'm not a skincare expert, but this stuff really just makes my skin feel so much better. This also works as a great primer for my skin because it makes my skin that smooth. So on days I'm wearing makeup, it makes a great primer. On days I'm not wearing makeup, it just makes my face feel smooth like I have a primer on. So if you want an easy path to that glass skin glow, this serum is a perfect choice. But that's just my point of view.